How's it going, guys? Bainey here and welcome back to Facebook Ads for Beginners. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get some cheap likes on your Facebook page. And the reason why we want some cheap likes on our Facebook page is just so when someone comes onto our page to check out our stuff, there's not just like 10 or 15 likes on our page. It just looks crap when there's not many likes on there. It looks like you're a small business, looks like you're not very popular, stuff like that. But if you can get 3, 4, 500 clicks for reasonably cheap, 30, 40 bucks, it just helps with that little bit of social proof. So when people do come to your page, it looks like it's more of a business and not just a page you started up yesterday and stuff like that. You should get some value out of this video. Before I jump into it, guys, if you've been following my content, hit that subscribe button for us. It really helps my channel grow. Don't forget to smash that like button. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions, and let's jump into today's video where I'll show you how to get cheap likes for your Facebook page. What you want to do is go to create. You want to go to engagement, and when it drops down here, you want to go to page likes. Continue. Call up page likes campaign if you like, that's fine. I would leave all this as is. I wouldn't worry too much about that. Come to the ad set level. I would just leave the names and stuff like that. You don't have to change them. Pick your page, which is obviously whatever your page is. Wouldn't worry about cost control. Depending on your budget, if you're just starting out, I would just start at $5 because you're going to get very cheap likes to your page. Start it straight away. Don't set an end date. You want to come down here where it says the country. Just go India. Just leave it broad, wide open. In this product, I'm actually selling candy, so what I'll do is I'll just put candy as the interest, even though you don't really have to. It's going to give me a range of 10 to 12 million, which is massive. Leave the ages. I'm going to actually go to that, reach as many people as I can. It's given me 300 million. Perfect. Languages, leave it blank. Leave it blank. If this comes up, yes, go to convert connections, and what this will do, it will take the people that are like your page and put them into a custom audience. Probably not the best custom audience if it's going to be full of people from India, but as you expand your page later on and it comes with Australian people, American people, stuff like that, it'll be a much better custom audience, but you can do it now. Leave all this as automatic, stuff like that. So that's all that section done. Then you want to do your ad, which is here. Again, just leave the title like that, that's fine. Make sure your page is selected. And I would just, this has already got something already pre-written for me, which is good. I wouldn't do any links in this page because you don't want these people to visit your website. You could even turn your website pixel off for this ad because you don't really want to track these people anyway because they're not very qualified. You could even drop that down the line if you wanted to. Pick a picture, doesn't have to be anything special. This one's candy, so whatever looks good. I'll use the one that was up there, that's fine. Literally, that's all you need to do. You just need a very basic ad like that. Doesn't need to be anything special. It will come down here with like a little thumbs up. Make sure you're targeting India. Publish it. You'll probably get, run it for, you'll probably get like, for $10, you'll probably get 100 likes. So if you want 500 likes, you probably have to spend $50. You will get very cheap likes. So just whatever you think's good. You might want 1,000 likes, so you get that 1,000. But as long as you don't have 10 likes on your page, you just want some social proof, and that's literally all this is doing. You're not expecting these people to buy. You're not expecting them to comment or share or anything like that. They're really just to like your page so it looks better when other people come on there. Hopefully get some value out of that, guys. If you did, feel free to share it with a friend. If you like the content I put out, hit that subscribe button for us, hit that like button, leave me a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you on another video. Thanks, guys.